read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Mareem Nakvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? What are the expected learning outcomes of letter C? The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter C. Learn the words that start with the sound of letter C. Learn the formation of letter C. Start from the dot, make semicircle, it will make capital C. Start from second line. Start from second line. Make semicircle, it will make small c. The letter name is C and the sound of C is
cat, car, cup, coat.
okay. We taught these 4 vocabulary words, but you will make flashcards of different vocabulary words and you have to visualize to the students and teach them. Okay, after that, a moral lesson, and after moral lesson, you have to show this story and focus on the vocabulary words that start with the sound of letter C, like cat, cuckoo, car, and cup as well. Now, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.